Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, birds. Birds fly in the sky. Second, play. We don't play hockey every day. We don't play hockey every day. Number 3, book. This is my English book. This is my English book. Number 4, home. I am at home. I am at home. Number 5, happy. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. Number 6, small. The chair is very small. The chair is very small. Number 7, place. This place is very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. Number 8, run. I run every morning. I run every morning. Number 9, bus. I go to school by bus. Number 10, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 11, school. I go to school with my friends. Number 12, Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.